COVID-19 cases continue to rise in Florida. The state reported almost 7,000 new cases and 73 deaths today. The statewide daily positivity rate is almost 8%. In Palm Beach County, the daily positivity rate is almost 9%. To fight those numbers, Palm Beach County schools have a new tool. The state has given them thousands of COVID tests that can produce results in a matter of minutes.
CBS 12's Danielle Wall has more on the superintendent's plan to deploy them and the controversy surrounding it.
Only students who have been attending in-person schools will be eligible for these rapid COVID tests, and only if they're showing symptoms.
It is a good idea to have each and every kid as well as the staff need to be tested for COVID.
Clarence Xavier's daughter is doing distance learning for now. He's been worried about COVID spreading at schools and kids bringing the virus home to older family members.
I have my mom at home.
Knowing schools have rapid tests on hand would make him feel better about going back to brick and mortar.
Tests that'll allow us to know firsthand if my child is coughing, what that cough really is.
Palm Beach Superintendent Dr. Donald Vinoy says parents will soon have more peace of mind due to their rapid test program starting after Thanksgiving break. If a child has flu-like symptoms, they'll go to a school nurse who has been trained to use these 15-minute Abbott tests. After a parent consents, the nurse will do a nasal swab. Similar to a pregnancy test, a line will show up positive or negative for COVID-19.
This test should be a game changer all around our nation in giving us better tool that we prevent transmission of illness.
The FDA has warned rapid tests have been known to generate false positives and false negatives, not as reliable as the PCR tests that get sent off to a lab. And the model that Palm Beach schools received, the Abbott Binax Now, is the same kind of rapid test the White House was using when it experienced an outbreak that involved the president. Superintendent Vinoy says he knows the rapid tests aren't perfect, but still says they'll help.
I think what it does allow us to do is at least create another layer of comfort for people that we're doing everything in our power to identify potential COVID cases in our buildings.
The county received 9,000 rapid tests for students and staff to be shared between public, private, and charter schools. As COVID cases spike in local schools, the district hopes the state will continue to send them supplies, expecting to need to test frequently as the holidays, flu season, and pandemic combine.
As things happen out in the community, they will manifest themselves in the building.
Parents have to fill out a consent form ahead of time for a student to receive a rapid COVID test. You can find more information on CBS12.com. Reporting in West Palm Beach, Danielle Waugh, CBS 12 News.